Here I have TECLAST P20HD, and today I'm going to show you how to perform force restart operation on your device. So if your device is laggy, you're trying to push buttons to touch screen, but it just reacts in no way, what you can do about it, you have to restart your device, but you're trying to press buttons, but it still don't react at all. So the hardest method for the hardest solution, you just have to hold down power key and volume down at the same time for about 5 or 7 seconds, and after that your device will be forcefully restarted and won't be laggy anymore, just like this. Okay, it turned off. And now to turn it back on, we just have to hold down power key one more time. And that's how it's done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.